In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create a Google Drive link to share files. Whether you're sharing documents, photos, videos, or entire folders, Google Drive makes it incredibly simple. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate and share a link safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're on the Drive homepage, you'll see all your folders and files neatly organized. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple Google accounts. Now, locate the file or folder you'd like to share. You can use the search bar at the top or browse through your folders manually. Once you've found it, right-click on the file or folder, or if you prefer, click on it once and look toward the top right corner for the share icon represented by a person with a plus sign. When you click on share, a new window will appear. This is your main sharing settings panel. By default, Google Drive sets sharing permissions to restricted, meaning only people you explicitly invite can view or edit the file. To make your file accessible via a shareable link, click on the drop-down that says restricted. Then choose the option, anyone with the link. This step enables anyone who receives the link to open the file without needing specific permission. Next, you'll notice another drop-down menu on the right. It determines the access level. You can choose between three options. Viewer, the person can only see the file or folder contents. Commenter, they can leave comments but can't make changes. Editor, they can fully edit or modify the contents. For most situations, selecting viewer is the safest option unless you want others to collaborate. Once you've chosen your preferred access setting, click Copy Link. A notification will confirm that the link has been copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it anywhere, in an email, a chat message, a document, or even on social media, allowing others to instantly open the shared file or folder. If you ever change your mind or need to update permissions later, simply return to the file in Google Drive, click Share again, and adjust the visibility or access level as needed. This flexibility helps maintain control over your content while making collaboration effortless. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google Drive link to share files. This quick method works perfectly for personal, academic, or business use, ensuring your files are always accessible when needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out more quick tech tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.